Two giants in the world of online trading, Binance and Exness. Which one truly delivers for traders in 2025? On the left, Binance, the crypto powerhouse with global reach. And on the right, Exness, the regulated broker for Forex and CFD specialists. Let's skip the buzz and dive right into the real features that matter. Each key category earns points, so you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The final result might just surprise you. Okay, here's a quick overview of what we're comparing today. Pop up the mind map. So we've got asset selection, fees and costs, trading tools, regulation and security, and user experience. These pretty much cover everything you'd want to know before picking a broker, right? All right, first things first, asset selection. So Binance is straight up famous for their insane range of cryptocurrencies. We're talking spot, futures, staking, NFTs, even crypto mining and lending if you're into that. Plus, some of those weird niche coins most platforms don't bother with. Now, don't expect classic stocks or commodities here. Binance stays in its crypto lane, for real. Exness, though, this one's all about the CFDs. Forex, stocks, commodities, cryptos, the works. With 40-plus account currencies and, wait for it, up to 1 to 2,000 leverage on CFDs if you want to get spicy. But here's the catch. Their crypto access is kind of limited compared to Binance. So, in terms of pure asset diversity, especially for crypto, Binance wins this round. Next up, fees and costs. So Binance actually keeps their trading fees pretty low, and it's all up front. No sneaky stuff. If you're a big volume trader or you use their BNB token, you unlock even better deals. I'll be honest, the fee tiers can get complicated, but for most, it's still super competitive. Exness now, they're pushing those tight spreads, like 0.1 pips on some major Forex pairs. And they don't charge commission on standard accounts. No swap fees on cryptos, which is nice, but a little sarcasm here. Those spreads on CFDs can balloon up, so those hidden costs, yeah, keep an eye out. Also, minimum deposits, sometimes $200, sometimes more, can be a bit of a hurdle. Binance still takes this one. On to trading tools. Binance? Honestly, there's loads. Advanced charting, all kinds of dashboards for futures, custom APIs for the techie folks. You've got web, desktop, mobile, staking, mining, even an NFT marketplace. But a little real talk. The interface can be overwhelming if you're just starting out. Exness, though, this is where it gets cool. You get MetaTrader 4 and 5, XN Terminal, wicked mobile apps, and VPS support for automation. Plus, their analysis tools are top-notch if you love doing the homework. Tons of indicators, calculators, the whole bit. You don't get mining or staking, but for trading tools and automation, Exness comes out on top. Oh, and here's something cool you probably didn't know. Binance, it's actually the biggest crypto exchange by volume on the entire planet. And Exness, they're like the automation kings for Forex and CFD trading, with regulations basically everywhere. Crypto versus Forex. Pick your fighter. Now, let's get serious about regulation and security. Binance is the biggest exchange worldwide, in over 180 countries, and their platform's a monster when it comes to performance. But, and here's where I hesitate, they've had their fair share of regulatory headaches. Fines, bans, client funds commingled, yikes, and no negative balance protection. So, if safety's your vibe, take notes. Exness is kind of the opposite. They're licensed everywhere. FCA, FSA, SISEC. Your funds are segregated. Negative balance protection is standard. Plus, they're audited and super transparent. Though, just so you know, you can't use Exness in the US, and in 2025, no new signups in India. Even with that, Exness absolutely wins for regulation and security. Finally, user experience. Binance? Over 120 million users worldwide. Trades are quick, and the support's actually responsive. But womp womp, regulatory drama can make people nervous. And their interface? It's definitely an adventure if you're new. Exness gives you a super intuitive web platform, flexible account options, and even Islamic accounts if needed. Not everything's perfect. Some users have trouble with withdrawals, and stop losses can trigger automatically when spreads get wacky. So honestly, I'd say it's neck and neck. This round, it's a tie. All right, so let's visualize where both platforms stand real quick. You can see Binance dominating in the crypto lane, particularly around asset selection and fees. Exness, though, is the clear champ when it comes to trading tools and regulatory comfort. Both platforms have their quirks and strengths. User experience, yeah, pretty evenly matched. So, bottom line, if you're drawn to fast crypto trading, wild token diversity, and super global reach, you'll probably vibe with Binance. But if you want that peace of mind with regulatory safety, crave automated Forex and CFD trading, and dream of MetaTrader wizardry, Exness is your move. Honestly, it all depends on what you want to trade and how much you value transparency or innovation. Just pick the one that fits your game. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next